Hey car friends, welcome to this episode that will focus on the production and the history of the Speedster Chair, the Porsche 356 Speedster Chair. You can't really explain the Speedster Chair without explaining Maximilian Hoffman. Max Hoffman, as he's commonly known, was involved in Alfa Romeo, Mercedes and BMW, and obviously Porsche. Maybe his greatest achievement was the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, or Flügeltür as we call it. He saw the challenge of the 356 Porsche in the American sports car market. It was simply too expensive. Well, Max's awareness was leading him to asking Porsche to make a cheaper 356. And that is how Max Hoffman invented the 356 Speedster. In this sequence, we follow the actual production of the chair. This all happens and it takes place in the factory JP Group. It's magic to see how a pallet of boring, flat, one-dimensional sheet metal is brought in on a forklift and then piece by piece fed into the press. This is where the first part of the magic happens. The he and the she part of the press compresses the metal with very, very high pressure and turns it into the shape of the chair. After the pressing, the piece is brought over to the laser cutting. It's blocked in this magic box, and a laser will cut not only the perforations but the edges of the metal to form the shape of the chair. Next procedure is rolling a piece of thread into the edge, like rolling it manually, repeatedly putting it through this rolling motion to gradually fold the edge of the chair, which not only gives it stability but also strength.
As far as I remember, it's the famous furniture architect Le Corbusier who said a chair is a machine that you sit in. And now we're sat in the actual chair in your little cozy exposé of an office. Thank you for inviting me to see the production of this magnificent chair. For me, it's completely magic. You take a sheet of metal and you turn it into something beautiful and creative and functional. Who got the idea to make the chair into a chair?
Well, first of all, you're absolutely right. It's a 1 mil plate that we form and shape and treat into a chair. Obviously, being the Porsche manufacturer of parts that we are, we do the chair as a spare part for the 356 Speedster, because that's where the bucket originates from. And having done that without being in the furniture industry, we thought, why not use it more broadly than only for the car? So long story short, that's how we end up sitting in a nice Speedster chair.
Yeah. And you make them in two variants. So there's like we're using now. This is a dining setup. You sit up as you would at a dinner table, and there's the recliner, as you call it, which is the lounge seat, which replicates the exact mounting angle in the car, and that's the one you would sit in when you watch the Formula Uno Grand Prix or something else on your television.
Exactly. The recliner gives you that seating experience from the car. Yeah. So that's more the relaxed type and. Close your eyes, sit next to your car, and imagine you're inside it.
How are they priced? How do I get one?
Oh, you get one through the retail within the industry, and just go online and you find it there.
ballpark figure. What's the price?
Oh, ballpark figure. The world is global, and yet it isn't with tax and tariffs and everything. But anywhere between, let's say, 550 and 700, and currency here is euro and dollars.
Yeah. And I mean, they must be extremely durable. These are gonna last the end of humanity.
Well, they are
in their most rustic shape as we see them here.
Yeah, they are durable. When you look at the manufacturing, it is, as I said, a 1 mil plate that we shape and form. And you see right here the thread that is added behind here on the chair makes it extremely strong and adds that strength, which makes the chair approved for usage in a car.
That's of course like a luxury that's not really relevant for a dining chair, but it gives the authenticity of the product, because this is actually not it's not a fake, it's not a fun little thing, it is the actual seat from a car.
Yeah, but lean
Stable,
back and stay in it.
Yeah.
So again, it's we talked about the pricing. This is not a furniture which is sold by the cheap price. This is a furniture sold for what it is, the love to the Porsche car and the Porsche community that you want to extend to your dining room, to your man cave, wherever you want to extend the love to.
So if you're sitting out there and you're dreaming of a 356, and who doesn't? Everybody does. This is maybe, this is where you start out. Buy the chair and add another and another, and one day you might have the car.
And you know the chair, at least if you are my age, you know the chair from the Speedster and the famous James Dean, right? A lot of people believe that the 356 is a car where in which he died. It wasn't actually. It was the Spyder 550.
Yeah.
But
the little bastard.
Yes, indeed. But this is what relates to James Dean and that time. But again, use it in different configurations and settings, and it's.
Wonderful. This is industrial design. This is aesthetics within functionality. This is just really an honest piece of kit. Thank you for having us and showing us around. And
thanks for coming.
Yeah. Let's go and look at the colored ones.
Will do.
This chair can be yours, and I personally think it should be yours if you're a Porsche aficionado. So go find one at your local distributor or buy it here with us.
Have a seat.
And in the meantime, feel enlightened, and thank you very much for watching. See you later. Ciao. Hey car friends, thank you for watching JP Group Club. This is our new YouTube channel. It's obviously sponsored by JP Group, and we're aiming to tickle you in all the right places with information and entertainment pertaining air-cooled cars from primarily Porsche and Volkswagen. Stay tuned, and we're gonna take you through production. We're gonna test products at the workshop. We're gonna take you to interesting places, drive fascinating cars, and meet relevant people. Help me get this show on the road. Press the subscribe button and like and whatever you can. Share it with your friends, and we're gonna make it fly. Thanks a lot for watching.